With over 20 years in business, you can buy your new vehicle at the car store.
Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche LS. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 97,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, OnStar, Bluetooth, and power windows.